tech, food, gaming, entertainment, automation, and fashion. Well, we all must be into at least one of them or more. So, how do we actually buy these companies which could be your favorite? And let them pay for the company's products which we use rather than us spending our own money in them. So, how to do that? For that, to watch this video till the end. So before I start this video, I need to tell you that you must watch this video till the end, because I'll not only be telling you about the platform's name, but also the platform, how to make an account into them, and also whether is it safe or not, and how to trade as well. So starting with, you just have to go into Google and search Grow, which is the platform, and click on to grow.in as the search result. But you will not be directed into this page directly, because you need to make an account into them. And how to do so, I'll be dropping a link over here. It is the same as making an account in Zerodha or any other platform, because they require the same documents, the same procedure to do so, all right, to have a demat account. So Grow is offering US stocks, is about to offer it very soon. As you can see, there's tech giants, fast food chains, entertainment stocks, and also automation stocks. Basically, this platform was built back in 2015 for mutual funds, as you can see. Then it came to Indian stocks, and then gold, which you can trade and buy and sell, and also the US stocks finally. So is this website and the platform safe or not? Well, it is definitely very safe, because it is under the name of Next Billion Technology Private Limited Company, and is a member of NSE and BSE with SEBI registration number of, as you can see, and also a participant of CDSL depository. What does that mean? It basically means that this is registered under the stock markets law, in layman's word, which is SEBI, all right, which is a market regulator. So it's completely free, safe. So that's why, just for more confirmation, I could just give you my transactions as well, that I stopped using this until 15 July, because I shifted to Zerodha. But you could see that prior to that, I earned a lot through this platform. And I've been using this for many months as well, and I've never felt that they've taken a single penny out of my account. And I started back in 30th September 2019. All right, so it's completely free and safe for you as well. All right, coming back to how to trade into them. All right, if you could see that Coca-Cola, just an example, which I love having cokes of it, you could see that there are multiple time frames out over here, like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. Taking the 5 years chart pattern of price, you could see that one share was trading around $37 on 21st March, and right now it trades around $51, which means that there's an increment of around $14 over here in some months. So that you could have a profit if you sold it. But if you only held it, and for even more longer term, you'll also be getting dividends quarterly, which means every 3 months you'll be getting dividend out of that company. What does that mean? It means that basically, if Coca-Cola is earning, like, suppose $1,000 in a year, it will be giving $1 for every share you held, just as an example. So there are two ways of earning through it, like buying and selling of the shares of the company, which means the ownership, or the dividend if you held it. So no matter, even if you had one share of the company, you are still a proud owner of that company, and are benefited from all the benefits which is it providing. All right, so just for an example, you can also see the company statistics over here about the company, what it does, then company's financials like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow, and also institutional holdings. What does that mean? It basically means that the big institutions, how much percentage they hold in, own Coca-Cola. Like Berkshire Hathaway, run by Warren Buffett, the world's famous investor, owns around 9.32% of Coca-Cola's company. All right, similarly, if you want to check out other companies like Apple, if you could see that within 1 day's time frame chart itself, that it was trading around $111 at 8:13 Indian timing PM. All right, and it went up to $122 at 1 a.m. Indian timing. So there's an increment of around $10 over here, which converted into Indian rupees would be around 720 to 750 rupees. So similarly, you can just invest into your own favorite companies, and definitely do the analysis over here, all right, before investing. And for you to learn how to do analysis, if you are a beginner or still want to know more, I'll be dropping my links over here. You could check the playlists out, and also check it in my channel's page, how to start doing it. All right, and then if you don't find your companies over here, like which you want to invest in, suppose if I'm taking Nike, which is into sports gears, you could check it out that Nike is also as well listed. And if you would take the 5 years chart pattern again, would have invested around 18th March at $67, you would have earned around $112 at it would be its current value at 4th September. So definitely make sure like you start trading into through this platform if you are interested into stock markets, because it's showing it's coming soon, which would hardly take a week for it to make us start investing or trading into the US stock markets. And as per your wish and your convenience, you can just start investing into any of the companies of your own wish. Also, do subscribe the channel for more such videos, and help me grow more and reach out to more people. As the more you subscribe, the more you like, the more content of my videos will be shared to more and more people. So that will be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood how to get into the US stock markets or invest into your own favorite companies and earn through them and buy their products out of their own money rather than spending our own money. So until next time, happy investing, guys. Bye bye.